Hi everyone, today we're going to make some bundi to make Dahi Boondi. And I have 1¼ cups of gram flour or chickpea flour, besan. To this besan I'm going to add about ½ teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, and I'm going to mix it all. We will now gradually add some water. I'm going to add ½ cup of water and see how far it goes with me. We'll definitely need more water, so a whole cup has gone in. So we'll whisk it until there are no lumps. Now I've added a 1/4 cup more. It shouldn't be very thin. Slightly on the thicker side, pouring consistency. I'll show you what it looks like with a spoon. I ended up using 1¼ cups of water, and now it's time to make the bundi. And we are going to make the bundi on medium flame, on the medium heat in a frying pan. When it comes to heat up, use any utensil you have that has slots in it, or a slotted spoon, or any kind of utensil that has slots in it so that your bundi can form. Here's my bundi. It's frying. In some places it looks like a little blob, and that's fine. You just keep going along on bundi. Have your slotted spoon. You can use your hand to make it just like this. And it won't be very perfect, but it will be a nice bundi. Bundi looks like, and we'll move it around quickly. Moved it. We're not so worried about the shape at this point because we are using it as raita, Boondi Raita, or bundi and yogurt. It looks like, and then keep the batch of bundi. So in a broad bowl, I have 2 cups of yogurt, thick yogurt, and I'm going to whisk them with my hand whisk. Whisking it, I'm going to add about ½ cup of water to thin it a little. And you can use milk to thin it too, whatever your preference is. And I prefer water because my yogurt is very, very thick. To this yogurt I'm adding about ½ teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of paprika, ½ teaspoon of jeera powder. And now I will mix it thoroughly. Give everything a good mix. As you can see, I've just transferred my yogurt to a deeper bowl so that everything can soak in. So as you begin making this particular dish, use a deeper pan, something deep where the yogurt has some depth. I think we will need a little more salt, so I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon more. And you can always adjust the salt to your taste. Right now I'm fasting, so I really cannot tell you what salt works out well. You can always adjust the salt after the fast. It's better to be on the lower side than on the higher side. After mixing the yogurt well, I finely chopped half an onion in 1 green chili. I'll add it to the yogurt. I've chopped about 2 to 3 tablespoons of cilantro very finely, and I'm going to add that to the yogurt too. We will add our bundi that we had fried earlier on, and we keep mixing it in. All the bundi inside it, and I'll give it a good mix. And this is a very good dish to eat when it's a very hot day like today. Today it's a very warm day here, and I have always enjoyed it when my mom made this with hot roti. It's a very good contrast and really helps you cool down. A great dish to have during Ramadan. It helps to cool your system down. So do try it. And now it's ready, and I let it sit in the fridge until it's time for iftar. Let it sit like this for at least an hour or two. And when the bundi has absorbed the yogurt, it tastes yummy. Do like, subscribe, and share. See you later. With some cilantro, just a handful of it, like a teaspoon. Do try this recipe. I'm sure you like it, and do have it with roti, which is nice hot off the tawa. See you later. You can garnish it with a little bit of paprika, as I have done right now.